Hi there, this is Rishabh and I welcome you to the Python Hackerrank series. So we have come to our next problem. The interesting part is that we have solved almost all the introductory or the easy problems, and the last one is the print function. And one more interesting thing which I would like to talk about is if you notice, I have actually jumped 1 million ranks approximately. Like currently I'm on around 1.3 million. When we started, if you remember, I was at somewhere around 2.4. So which means just by solving some easy problems, I have actually come, I would say I have come so far in terms of the ranking, which is quite encouraging. Cool. Let's just solve the last part of the introductory section, that is the print function. Let's go ahead and solve the challenge. Okay, first of all, check tutorial lab to know how to solve. The included code stub will read an integer n from standard input. Okay, without any string methods, try to print the following. Okay, note that represents the consecutive values in between. For example, if n is equal to 5, print the string 1 2 3 4 5. So we don't have to use any string methods. Input format is this. The first line contains an integer n, and there are some constraints which are given to us. Okay, now without spaces, right? So by default, the delimiter which is used by the print function is /n, which basically means a new line. So this is what happens after every print, like after call to every print function, a new line is inserted. But the best part is that you can actually use customize the separator, sorry, not separator but the delimiter. You can say end is equal to this, and it will basically insert this at the end instead of inserting a /n. So an empty string will be inserted. Now what I can do is I can simply say for I in range, and we have to start from 1, right? And we have to go up till the number n is what I can see. So which means n is also included, right? Because for n equals to 5, it is 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now for I in range, I'll have to say 1 and n plus 1, because as you remember, this only goes up till n minus 1, so I have to simply add n plus 1 here, so it goes up till n. Now I can say print I, and as I have already declared this delimiter, okay, let me work on the indentation as well, otherwise we will see an indentation error. Cool. Okay, awesome. I think that's all we need to do in order to solve this problem. This was, I would say, the simplest of all, if all the test cases pass. Okay, there is an error. How can we forget that we have to use the colon? Interesting. Let's run the code again. Okay, congratulations, we have passed the initial test case. Now let me go ahead and try to submit the test. Submit the code. Great, we have passed everything. Now I think, congrats, you solved all the introduction challenges in Python. Another time for celebration. I hope you are also solving these challenges along, and it's time for you also to celebrate. But I really wanted to see whether there is anything which we might have missed. Okay, yes, I think, yeah, we are using the same technique which is being taught in this tutorial. Awesome, so I think we are on the right track. I hope you're enjoying solving these challenges with me. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you.